Hi, I'm Ismael, and for this last speaking test, I will be resolving and reflecting about this case of what it seems to be a murder case. So let's start by saying that there's a lot of chaos in the room, and we don't see any suspect or any other clear thing that can lead us to get a final idea of what happened. So for me, it's just the chaos in the room what it says everything. Because I believe when there's a lot of chaos and when there's a lot of papers missing and clothes and everything, I can say that maybe a person was looking for something that the other person had or the other person was doing. They're just, I don't know, maybe they were looking for proofs or something, or maybe they were looking an actual thing. So we also don't know with this theory that if they found it or if the other person arrived to the house and that was the final part of the conflict, and that was what it led to this situation when someone killed the other person. For me, it's a case of domestic violence because I believe in all of these cases. Well, I mean, there's a lot of people that they're just crazy or they just have uh, some big um, problems like psychological problems, and that's what lead them to do that type of things with persons that they're supposed to love. But in some other cases, I believe they're just they just happened because someone lose control, obviously, and they weren't thinking about what could happen, or they weren't thinking about everything. They hadn't had the control of the situation, and just the feelings that they felt. Uh, they just completely lead them to do tragic things. So for me, it's domestic violence because of what I just said, that there's a lot of chaos and it seems like someone was looking for something, and maybe that lead to a fight uh, that maybe escalate to another thing and another thing, and then just it happened what we can see. And also, I don't know what the police is doing, like for what's all of that proofs that they need. For me, it's pretty clear. And also, I can say that if I was there, I will maybe close that case because for me, it's pretty obvious that is domestic violence. But I don't know if they need some other proofs. But I also don't know what were they doing or where were they when all of this chaos happened, because I believe it all could just stop around this chaos before this final situation that just happened.